In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet Pro 4002 DW series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro 4002 DW support, and go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro 4002 DW printer. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on the support page here, just might have to give it a moment to load. You want to go underneath the support category that says software and drivers and select that. And now that we're here, just scroll down underneath drivers and select the HP LaserJet Pro 4001 to 4004 DW driver installation software, includes print drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And you should receive a user account control prompt. It's going to ask you when to allow this app to make changes to your device, verify publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then give us a moment to initialize here. And you want to go ahead and continue with the installation. Select no, and you just follow along depending on your process of exactly what you need to have done here, so it shouldn't be that difficult. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.